Hello, in this video let us discuss solving quadratic equations using special products. Okay, say we have to solve for x squared minus 81 equals 0. We will factor this using the difference of two cubes because we can write this as 2x squared. 2x squared is 4x squared minus 81 is 9 squared equals 0. And as we know, this is in the form of difference of two squares, a squared minus b squared. And we know that the factored form of difference of two squares is a plus b times a minus b. In this case, a is 2x, b is 9. All right? So, let us rewrite using this formula right here. 2x squared minus 9 squared becomes a plus b. So our a is 2x plus b. Our b is 9, right? So a plus b, a plus b. And then times a minus b. So 2x minus 9. And then equate to 0. Applying the zero product property, we will equate both of these equations, rather factors, into 0. Let's begin with 2x plus 9. Equate to 0 and then solve for x. Transpose 9 to the other side. 2x equals negative 9. And then if we divide both sides by positive 2, x1 is equal to negative 9 over 2. For the other factor, 2x minus 9 equals 0. Transpose negative 9 to the other side. 2x is equal to positive 9. Divide both sides by 2. Therefore, x2 is equal to 9 over 2. And here's our solutions. Let's try another one. Solve 25x squared minus 169 equals 0. Again, this is difference of two squares. 25x squared is 5x squared, while 169 is 13 squared equals 0. Okay? Again, this is in the form of a squared minus b squared. And the factored form is this one. Let us follow. The factored form is a plus b. A is 5x, b is 13. So 5x plus 13, and then times a minus b. 5x minus 13 equals 0. And we will apply the zero product property. Equate the first factor to 0 and solve for x. 5x plus 13 equals 0. Transpose 13 to the other side, make it negative. 5x is equal to negative 13. Divide both sides by 5. Therefore, x1 is equal to negative 13 over 5. Next, equate the other factor, 5x minus 13, to 0. Transpose negative 13 to the other side. 5x is equal to positive 13. And divide both sides by 5. Therefore, x2 is equal to 13 over 5. Next, let us solve 9x squared plus 24x plus 16 equals 0. Okay, let us factor this quadratic trinomial using the perfect square trinomial. 9x squared is equal to 3x squared. And then 24x can be expressed as 2 times 3x and then times 4. And then 16 is equal to 4 squared equals 0. Now, this is in the form of a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. All right? And we know that the factored form of this perfect square trinomial is a plus b squared. A is 3x, while b is 4. All right? Now, let us rewrite in this form. So a plus b squared, a is 3x, plus b, our b, is 4. And then equals 0. And we know the concept of exponents. 3x plus 4 squared means 3x plus 4 times 2 itself, times 3x plus 4 equals 0. And then we have to equate each of the factors to 0. First, 3x plus 4 equal to 0. Transpose 4 to the other side, it becomes negative. 3x equals negative 4. And then divide both sides by 3. Therefore, x1 is equal to negative 4 over 3. However, on the other hand, the other factor is the same, 3x plus 4, so no need. So x2 is equal to negative 4 over 3. This is what we call double root. Okay, we have two roots, but they are identical. Let us try one more. Let us solve for x squared minus 20x plus 25 equals 0. This is a perfect square trinomial, so let us rewrite. For x squared is 2x squared, and then negative 20x can be written as minus 2 times 2x times 5, and then 25 is 5 squared equals 0. Now, this is in the form of a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. A is 2x, while b is 5. And this is equal to the factors form a minus b squared. Let us follow this. Therefore, we have a minus b. So a is 2x minus b, our b, is 5 right here. 5 and then squared equals 0. Using the concept of exponents or power, 2x minus 5 squared is equal to 2x minus 5 times 2x minus 5. And as we can see, the factors are identical. So let's equate one of them to 0 and solve for x. So 2x minus 5 equals 0. Transpose negative 5 to the other side. 2x is equal to positive 5. And divide both sides by 2. x1 is equal to 5 over 2. And no need to do or no need to repeat the other one. We know x2 is equal to 5 over 2 as well.